How tech giants use AI for massive productivity gains. In the last decade, the world's biggest tech companies, Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Tesla, and Microsoft, have quietly rewritten the rules of productivity. They've done it with one powerful force: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic add-on. It is the invisible engine driving faster decisions, leaner operations, and radical automation across every major tech giant. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal how they are doing it. Let's begin. Across Silicon Valley, AI has become the new electricity. Every product update, every internal tool, every customer experience has one thing in common: machine intelligence working behind the scenes. These companies are now building AI not just into their products, but into the very structure of how they work. At Apple, AI powers everything, from personalized recommendations on the App Store to intelligent battery optimization on the iPhone. With Apple Intelligence, the company is now integrating on-device AI that writes emails, edits photos, summarizes notifications, and enhances productivity without sending private data to the cloud. Apple's internal teams also use AI systems for chip design testing, defect detection, and faster development cycles. At Amazon, AI runs the entire empire. Machine learning algorithms predict what millions of customers want before they buy it. Robotics and AI systems in warehouses pick, sort, and deliver items with extreme efficiency. Amazon Web Services uses AI to optimize cloud performance and security, while Alexa continues to push voice-driven productivity into homes and offices. Amazon's internal operations are now so automated that AI handles routing, logistics planning, fraud detection, and customer support. Google, the world's largest AI-first company, uses AI across search, video, cloud, ads, and productivity tools. Search results are now powered by deep learning models that understand context, intent, and personalization. Gmail uses generative AI to suggest replies, summarize long threads, and create content instantly. Google Cloud offers enterprise-level AI automation for companies around the world, while YouTube uses AI to analyze billions of videos, recommend personalized content, and detect copyright violations. Internally, Google uses AI for code review, system reliability, and machine-optimized data center cooling. Meta has transformed into an AI-powered social ecosystem. AI models decide what users see on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and WhatsApp. Advertising is now fully automated through AI-driven targeting and creative optimization. Meta's infrastructure uses AI to detect harmful content, identify fake accounts, and provide real-time translations across languages. Behind the scenes, AI tools help Meta engineers develop faster, run simulations, and scale their metaverse and mixed reality products. Tesla is the world's most advanced AI robotics company, disguised as a car manufacturer. Its vehicles rely on neural networks to make split-second driving decisions. Tesla's Dojo supercomputer trains these models at unprecedented scale. Inside the company, AI helps engineers simulate car parts, predict failures, and improve manufacturing precision. Robotics models also optimize gigafactory output, making Tesla one of the most automated manufacturers on the planet. Their humanoid robot, Optimus, is now being trained to perform repetitive factory tasks, signaling the next era of workforce automation. Microsoft has woven AI across its entire software empire. With Microsoft Copilot, AI now assists users in Word, Excel, Teams, PowerPoint, and Windows, Businesses use Azure AI to automate tasks, manage data, and deploy machine learning at scale. AI systems optimize Microsoft's security, cloud reliability, and code development. The company also uses AI to test products, identify bugs faster, and accelerate feature rollouts across millions of devices worldwide. Across all these companies, a clear pattern emerges. AI is becoming the new workforce multiplier. It reduces repetitive work, increases decision speed, automates tasks, enhances product quality, and frees human teams to focus on strategy and creativity. The result? Unprecedented productivity gains across the global tech sector. What we are witnessing isn't just an upgrade, it is a complete restructuring of how the biggest companies in the world operate. And soon, this level of productivity will no longer be limited to tech giants. It will spread to every industry: healthcare, finance, education, transportation, real estate, and personal productivity. AI is the new competitive frontier, and those who embrace it early will win. Brought to you by AI Productivity Hub, the home of AI tools and next-level productivity hacks that will transform your life forever.